Sweat. Yeah, shit. Say, Jeremy Messenger. Fire up that air, man. Boom, get that nigga the lighter. You know what I'm saying? We do it. Lock. Stare in the eyes of a sinner far from the innocent. Woke up on top of the world but couldn't remember shit. Still working out and need women like gym memberships. So deep in that water they had to send a ship. Swimming pool full of money, baby, we finna dip. With a wardrobe so fly I couldn't intend to slip. Got all these hoes falling for me but I don't even trip. If she got $1 million pussy I don't even tip. More less or more so, I rip they torso in the game like Corso. In a UFO fully equipped with 4 doors. White girl saying he's awesome, that's for sure. Swagger at its peak, Glock 40 or turn a nigga into Casper when it speaks. Punchlines attacking like the Raptors when they eat. Paper by the chapter, pockets deep as pastors when they preach. Whoa.